Stay close. Are they coming behind us? Here, they're pinned. Let's try to get now. She's. Oh, they're rolling them up. Let's move slowly toward them.
Area.
These two aren't on our team. Let's get them. Behind you. I'm trying not to drill them too bad. Okay, they're both dead. I got all three of them. Give me some cover from. I'm trying to get all three of those on our team. You got it? Go. Honey badgers. Did I get you yet, Donovan? Honey badgers, let's go! Hit! Sir.
Zombie apocalypse.
Are you guys all hit? Covering you. Zombie apocalypse!
Okay, let's get out of the green line.
Good game, guys. You guys tore me up. Hit! You guys, you are over here flanking along this edge. Don't let them get that edge, okay? This is basically the trench, and this is where you can either take the field or they can take it from us, right? Who's over here?
We are second squad.
Your second squad? Okay. You guys are middle, okay?
Okay.
Push up as far as you can, then hold. We will take right flank, and we're going to try to push all the way around to the flag, okay? So you guys kind of hold in the middle, and we'll see if we can go around the outside and get the pressure from there.
Basic. Can't all die.
Going around this tree.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000.
Tell you what, put cover fire on this. I'm gonna try and move forward. Ready? Three dead, right? Oh! You got one more?
Huh?
You okay? 1 1,000. 2. Hit. I just got hit too.